Struggling with percentages? What's 25% of 80? 15% of 60? In this quick video, I'll show you the fastest, easiest way to solve any percentage in your head. First, percent just means out of 100. So, 25% means 25 divided by 100. That's 0.25. To find a percentage of a number, just multiply. Percentage divided by 100. Multiply the number. Easy, right? Let's do 1. What's 25% of 80? Step 1. 25 divided by 100 equals 0.25. Step 2. 0.25 multiply 80 equals 20. So, 25% of 80 is 20. Here's a quick trick for common percentages. 10%. Divide by 10. 50%. Cut it in half. 25%. Divide by 4. Super quick. That's it. Just remember, percent divided by 100, then multiply. Simple, fast, and works every time. Like and subscribe for more math tips.